Hey everyone, my name's Zara, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this really cute cloud decor. I think it's like dream core or even kid core, but yeah. So basically you're going to need a toilet roll and you want to make a hole. I'm just using like a craft knife, make a hole either side of one end. And then you want to like thread through some string. So I'm just using an embroidery needle and some embroidery thread. And then tie it either side so this way you can like hang it. And then next you want to like cover it in something sticky, so glue or like this thing I'm using, I cannot remember the name, but it ran out, so I ended up just using Pritt Stick anyway. So you can use glue or double-sided tape all over. And then you want to grab some toy stuffing. So here is the toy stuffing I have, and I bought it in Hobbycraft. It's really cheap, and you just want to grab some of that, kind of roll it up in a ball and press it onto your glue. And once you've covered it all, kind of like pull it over the end so you can't really see the end of the toilet roll, and you're basically done. So you can use like a hook like this to screw it into the ceiling and hang it, or you can use tape or even something like glue dots. And yeah, you just want to put them all up over your ceiling, as many as you want. So I collected around 10 toilet rolls, I believe, and I put these all up over my ceiling, and here is how it turned out. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. I know today it's super short. If you did, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!